Pacho Kojak Farmer Adaroma on also attach it in. So would ade a share na ade a chill the pa na was fim wono and nei wakwa fire Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash there ba ya wunya bia e boa na che say atu ase dia ma wo de na ye severe na odin pa na we use Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks later no switch to Kojak F ebejai but up a best result and patch wire for Kojak sensitive toothbrush kan ni na ya available all pharmacy shops are doing across the country. The door panel. Fred Kojak Farmer 0260 870 780 0249 209 920. What do I need more country drug lanes? So I'll be here. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Black Jelly.
Kwam Kachi. Kwame, you're steady. Kwame. Kwame.
No, do I want to catch us all our family?
I knew it's all because I see we pay. But that way now quite friend.
Oh, darling.
But see how Mumpa them show me a surrender. Kwame, I'm saying undisputed champion. Oh, which is a one of Kwame. You come on. You're more Kwaba.
Thank you, Black.
Now, we not picture baby Piara. I'll come my brother. Let me see. I'm going to go glass to Jim. Okay. You. That's it.
Then you're me. Do you? Nyamen kan wo bedu Ghana nko ade uni problem why
okay me boy shop papa
abo no me boy ama ai Yaminka, why? Me boy, abono. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Me patch for saying.
But your friend is Yankuma.
Nice.
Lead UK.
Okay. Yamu akwa bampa chwenti ne rade ama.
Me pese. Me wish me papa, Mr. Aqua. Managing Director of Hakwasim Press. Happy birthday. Me patch china na wedi 88 years.
Wow.
Inti me nuanu mu nyina se nyame nsira no ya da na se de wa ya ma ye nyina.
Amen. Yeda se pa nyame kan ho na onhia papa so. O mani nyi bi nka ho mo. Guaranteed Trust Bank guso ye ne ma akese. Enei mobile money payment pa. Yeah, no ye GT Bank POS devices no so no. Ejinamu den a ekoso. And you bet me make payment for your goods and services. Wa bra wona my MTN money and I say MTN mobile money so and I feel Vodafone cash any Airtel to go money so on any GT Bank POS via very simple. Now at the payment points baby akwa akotwa de na ba betu asika no. Now we opted to pay with mobile money on a GT Bank POS device. Who provided merchants with your phone number and then a payment alert. Be authenticated at the amount on the GT Bank POS device. No so. Now just say I send it to your phone. Now while authorize this transaction on your phone, while brow enter opinion, the while personally while bear while there and one of them now merchants receive cash instantly. I'm gonna. So payment just got more exciting. Pay effortlessly and conveniently with mobile money on GT Bank POS devices today. Now are you free? The patrol shop's name, businesses name, merchants, how do you and contact 050-410-0282. Sebe amon sabiti mi aka GT Bank POS devices ni bi na smash ase use. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Yankwa omano so na yemfa your next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, who?
Yes, oh.
Good evening.
Now, Pacho, one eka say. Na me se me kra me send message me refi. Se me o now send me voice na mitimi mbo wa bra me gusu ti radio so na mati o jebu a makoda mpamu ansa na mahu wa yi nuti no. Di facha mwai. Oba de wa ran na now se mo friend bi di birthday ni ade a.
Omo ye no me ba pani reta ajewa na ayi bright fufu ate. Wono de na ye ndra. Na ene Fortunately, 21st so your reta. Reta no ono ye penny. Ono ye penny na chiri man you ni with two button. Wo mu how could be copy.
Okay.
I work one test. Yeah. And wo mu na ye June 18 and 21st.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Dine we shi wo mu na happy birthday. Nyagopo wo shira wo.
Amen.
Shira wo mu de wo. Woma wo kwatenten se de be ya ombenya be ye memma wo be makurati so hu na boju se ni ade ni se ye teacher they don't bring teacher bright you know wo mu nyina am do mu tie o meti me wo shi wo mu nyina happy birthday yakobo on to wo mu kwanem no
amen
ni ye me emegina mechi afi o me chia wo ma me no ne busia fo no ne ade aka nyina agogo no mu nyina free chia wo mu nyina
all right
afi kwa me oba de o se me chia no na ne ho te say
nyame adum we de ne ho ye
mo pe yi ma me de go ma yi ni pipi so ma
okay yeah that's why nyame sure minimum TV yeah special next caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Hey. Good afternoon. Me patro you na.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, for saying now can say free.
Patro frame. Oh, wait a minute, no minya code into minya kana.
Kafra. Bibia be fine. Why? Yentie the onso de rade ase wie.
oh me de radia se send maka no menya code nso me ho ye nyame adom so o de me ku me jo agima o de ne fi Iraq Afghanistan ba ne ho anka ne ho enti obetu ebusua no yenso ye ho ye enti asida eni kambia na me de manaka se eni mebusua ye danase me danase mama si o Ghana me ma me ne me papa mo wo Ghana me nyame ase mo nso si enti asembo ne bia me de nyame ase amen.
Amen. Patro Chiabusia for me, you be na fancy why?
Me Patro, Kwame Damwaji, my former Electoral Commission Chief Director, Anna Yamase, Anna me papa, Eja Konto, Eja Konto, Ofie Chimda, Echio Munina, Omontanasi, Omonia, Wadentanasi, and Tremin, I'm a bagana.
Amen. Yeah, that's it for your Aden na mutiti ni pasa. Bami Patrosha so say you can always do with some extra cash. Yes. Can't you? Ebi ameka say best 1,000 bi na bo wata so. Ba wona mo ana unya 2k bi on kwanchen ba bibia chese no ne ho adwu bia. Can't you do something extra? Yeah, you can make things happen. Sa vacation what putting off all the time because I honestly 7 men share them ko years I feel better so do me twa me ho kakra ba. Oh, sense you ticket. When him say when he was bushing for no adolfo betimi anya. You know, an exceptional meal every day bia. Oh, unse kanena yesusu ano. So bon say kitchen why hwam pa na tim say ampa. Just say flavor be a pie mu ba no. Aroma na ene na na mo hwini mu no. Wotimi say we dey esron ko a, just say a special occasion. Say e be engagement be a pie fi ho. Wedding be like bisa. Ana e be a party be. Ana Christmas time. Who say yeah, aroma na fi kitchen oba no the usual one no. Aha, na so there's a special occasion. No, yeah, my minimum to mo boss. Spicy no. Nya botre ma de ne ye kama. But by can ketsi. Maggi the dead. Ubetimi anya that special the dead effect no in your everyday cooking. Not just I won't train for a special occasion and son we do no. Anya that the dead effect no. But every blessed day we do and be ye de Kwanso koso. Give it a try today and see. Wishiamia, you thank me. Yes, Maggi dead seasoning papa bi. For what do you know? Now bon sampa. Your food will always be tasty. So get that special the dead taste in your everyday cooking. Now by Can Ketsi MTN and I feel Roman insecticide spray. What's coming up next, no? Hey, a futu say about it to your home for which made you so. In the meantime, let's enjoy this one. It's a brand new one, y'all. Matilda Tang. Wash me so. So better not the action no answer so na boga on na mo abo life. Hey guy. Timi say every Wednesday be am celebrate my birthday. Yeah. Wash me so. Ama bibia yo cool. Eh na se anko. Dias of Dias Electronics. Happy birthday to you, belated. Enra ena udi wa oda. Dias. Minu enyamisha wate. Na new place you no do. Say minim ho. Etina mi team mesra no do. Yena mami huna say de be ne ma. You are 11 years old today. Douglas Akenya Cole. With you, Papa. Mr. Cole Francis Nenchen. AKA Zegeme. Osi Chamibo. Hey! Francis Cole. We are cause trouble, chair, Papa. We are. You say cry when you cry, no matter. Those days are school. Oh boy. Now, Odi Bonnet no Henan Hochina. Told him Zagan and Grove be bring to French for pointing. No, I know so until Brofo. Not the French, no good matter. Oh, Casagi. Wow. Go. Oh, yeah, cream. Oh, this is a I know. Mama forcing Waterma Community One Market. What tonton ade pam ho niema. And Jason ko enkoma from Great Yafe. chotie. Ye ba be hwa asem a ye di tu on for awie yi. E wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. And obi sending comments be on Instagram my mistress or see we a photo of the century. Now only there now can me post TV no pay. Papa beauty me say at an engagement I am penny phone to phone at the adena. To your mama advice no. And also my advice be Twitter, you can go and check it out at Jerry Justice. Nah, Papa is on the advice or the mom near back and he said, you won't groom you new Tunisia and Italy. It's our wife for no more corner. Mom Koyom want to say Tunisia, crew and the a crew and your crew. The reason is say Obani Bufu. No be man to bufua obane da not nenim ahwe ban no at the left no obe man so buafu no so nenim ahwe ban no at the right it won't say omumienu omoto na hia na chese no Tunisia yes odo no enkoso nemum omunye nti se Italy ni de omu de obani de be hia na chese atalita na it's the ones now quite Rome away. Rome is if you go to Rome, you do what Romans do. Rome into the Bible, you be and I can. And I was hey, or my way of bogger. Oh man, to be or share we are also already a photo of the century. But I see a photo on Ofie Kwanso and on a brasso say, yeah, they every way. And that's some name no babe cheno. Asem no. Ye be fa nene. Ochina Thursday. Ye de nto aso beba. Na Friday ye wie no kra. Enti ye ne ochina any Friday ne ye wie. Na sa asem a ye hwe no. Etire sem no ana heading no, ana topic no, ana subject no. Or say you must be in charge. You must be in charge. Nemum de na ye hwe no. Wo brofokasem na asem ne say you can spend your entire life blaming the world, but your success and failures are entirely your own responsibility. What you say no? You can spend your entire life blaming the world, but your success and your failures are entirely your own responsibility. What say? Atoda esi bia senye we na ye say ya and na we say tina we say manya we tina man me say then we are blaming we are putting the blames on Krofo. We na ye sa and na we an ye say tina me ti say enye me ma me no ye say na ye na otufiri no kotena na ye na nke guzo a anka me ye say enye me bra no pam me fi ni nchen anka me nkai da bia sa. But asem patron say ye betimi e de yen kwana nyina koso a na ye blame nkrofo a na ye blame wiase na the world is a bit unfair basa enti ene onka so obedi echi obe blame sa but eno enkosi hwe but unkunim dia obedi wa asase so ana asetena mu ana abrabo a oboyi ene unkugu a obedi ni nyina no ni nyina gina wankasa wo so eye wankasa wasede your responsibility. Enti whether say abrabo no be ko yie ana enko yie no your responsibility. Wa said there say wo hwe say say utimi di yie ana say say utimi di amia e wa abrabo mu. Because kindness will say in every bad situation cry no you can still do something about it out of it no bibi wetimi akoyi e dia ma. It is nyame ya adom a ochina ye de nto aso no beba na Friday ye wie kra ba me ma re fi say subject nankasa no say you must be in charge. Also, you can spend your entire life blaming the world, but your success and failures are entirely your own responsibility. First was my prize sponsors quickly. Now MTN and a Momo promo and not Diabano. Yes, MTN at 10. Yes, MTN Ankasano only when you were 10 Nemum MTN Momo ne buy no. Yes, celebrated 10th anniversary of MTN mobile money. The Sentino, yeah, the 10 brand new cars. Hyundai cars, EB can have the Obata Hyundai now better. Hyundai i10, Marco 9, and Hyundai Santa Fe, and also one. And their grand price nankasano. Now that consolation prices near their day say TVs, no money, mobile phones, no money, and your account, any bubuja, baby. Wow, yeah, the amount. Very simple. Unto bet me winning other exciting prices being motels. Oh, Samsung smart TVs in here, there. Cash and so cross our womb. 3,000 Ghana cedis in e-cash every month, and also a bit to me I order. So just keep using your MTN Momo, more and more. Fire your everyday transaction in what I say. Now they are building points more. So be able to me win a free Saturday copy the end of August 2019. Only on Ghana's best network. Remember, say promo winners no. You better contact him only via this number 0244 300 000 0244 300 000. Not by testing and our text message and our WhatsApp derby. You better throw it is call, not text message. You better throw through this number pet. Into your mobile in your phone one night. Hey, MTN Momo no I time promotion here and we are sending message and will be the different number be afro boy or yaza. Bedusika imuano. Why? But wait me dial *120#. Now I check your points and I say what do you say why? Terms and conditions apply. So go on, just Momo it. And remember, we there for you everywhere you go. As they do your farmer Roma insecticide spray. And Tonton Master, Abusia, Miagu say for and one no. Wo we adwuma they can Roma na yes adwuma ni ade ama. Obe fighting Tonton ni ntumu a hodo di nyina. Ama why free. What them ones will be spray we na why hwehwam. Ne mosquito coil no empum wisie to yusu a. Say mo benya chest infections ne kata ne cold ne headaches there we la. Demum okum Tonton ni na why you free only abuswena. So go on, you deserve the best. Go for Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil all the time. Roma insecticide spray and coil. And Tonton Master available at shops and stores and supermarkets. How do you know? Wait, another quality product from Samara Company Limited. You don't want to say. Now a happy birthday. Greetings and Mrs. Florence Padova. St. Paul Seminary. Friends, they're trust what St. Paul Seminary was Sotium. Yeah, was Sotium. Wefi Gabriel Amponsa of Multi TV Nenchen. Or they wish you a happy birthday. Se bibia ni na yana is at ya faswa. Adeba akopena meet me catch you. Call on to God and everything will be all right. Sufre 101.3 FM.